This lesson is all about how to play the piano simple and easy, the C major scale for 2021. In this lesson together, we'll go through the C major scale with the right hand and then the left hand and then our hands together. If you're ready, let's get started. Let's begin with our C major scale, right hand only, ascending and descending. So you'll want to find middle C and place your thumb on middle C. And remember to keep your fingers and your wrists and your shoulders and your arms relaxed. Let's begin. Thumb on C, second finger on D, third finger on E, cross your thumb under, fourth finger on F, second finger on G, third finger on A, fourth finger on B, fifth finger on C, descending, fourth finger on B, third finger on A, second finger on G, first finger on F, cross your thumb over, third finger on E, second finger on D, and thumb on C. When you are crossing your thumb under your third finger to land on the key F, make sure your other fingers don't flail up. Keep them close to the keyboard so you can continue with a smooth musical idea and pattern. Same thing when you're going down. Make sure when your third finger crosses over your thumb to land on E that your fingers don't fly up. Keep them close to the keyboard like this. And you might want to practice this right hand ascending and descending several times until you begin to feel comfortable. It's also very important that you match the shape of your hand. Remember, there's going to be sort of a round shape, a C shape that your fingers and your hand should keep. So make sure your fingers aren't buckling like this. Make sure your fingers stay rounded. So when you do play your scales, this will allow you to play your scales much faster. So again, make sure your fingers stay round and curved. Want to take a deeper dive into today's lesson? Check the link below for interactive lessons. This includes all the music to download so you can practice with me. There are no sharps and no flats in the key of C major. Every note is natural, starts with C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a lesson. To start learning piano right now, click the link below to get started with your first free lessons. What are you waiting for? Let's try our left hand, the C major scale, ascending and descending. To find where your C major scale begins for your left hand, first of all, find middle C with your thumb, and then go down to the lower C. We're going to begin fifth finger on C, 5 on C, 4 on D, 3 on E, 2 on F, 1 on G, 3 on A, 2 on B, thumb on C, 2 on B, 3 on A, thumb on G, 2 on F, 3 on E, 4 on D, 5 on C. Remember to take your time and go back. If you start to make mistakes, don't rush the process. Practice your right hand separately, then your left hand, and then put your hands together. Let's try the C major scale, hands together. The next thing you also want to think about as you are putting your hands together with your C major scale, your fingers are doing different things at the same time. So when you are playing, if you find yourself getting stuck because one finger is passing underneath, one finger is passing the other way in different hands, stop, go back and practice your hands separately, and then come back and try to put your hands together. Once you've mastered all the basics, now you can start to have some fun with different textures and different sounds to incorporate in your practice of the C major scale. I am so excited to share all things musical with you, and I can't wait to help you start designing your best daily music practice plan. Be sure to check out these 2 videos and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a lesson. And I will see you at your next lesson. And don't forget, start making music happen.